You get to a drain cleaning job and find out it requires 1¼ inch cable and not 7/8 inch cable. You'd be out of luck if you weren't fully prepared. You'd either have to go back to the shop for a different size clutch or change out the whole clutch assembly on site. Who knows what damage the clogged drain can do in the meantime. Your luck has changed with the new RIDGID K-5208 drain cleaner. Its unique clutch adjustment system lets you change from one cable size to another quickly and easily on site, getting it right and tight every time. The K-5208 is made for the tough institutional, commercial, and residential jobs. It clears clogged drain lines of 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length, using 7/8 inch and 1¼ inch diameter sectional cables. This knob adjusts the jaws that hold the cable. To start the clutch adjustment, unlock the quick release. Turn it counterclockwise to set the jaw size larger. Turn clockwise to set the jaw size smaller. When changing from 1¼ inch to 7/8 inch cable, turn the adjustment knob approximately 1½ turns clockwise. Insert the cable through the machine. Close the quick release. Press the clutch lever handle down and check the engagement of the jaws with the cable. Then adjust as needed. You're always prepared for the unexpected with this innovative quick clutch adjustment system. Just one of the many advanced features on RIDGID's new K-5208, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. And you can take it anywhere. And like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the RIDGID K-5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty.